Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have two top-notch robot vacuums battling it out for the title of the best in the market. In the blue corner, we have the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum, and in the red corner, we have the Roborock S7 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum. Let's dive into the comparisons and find out which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. The Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum comes in at a price of $599, while the Roborock S7 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum has a higher price tag of $1,299. It's clear that the Shark AI offers a more budget-friendly option. When it comes to cleaning performance, both vacuums have impressive features. The Shark AI Ultra boasts incredible suction power, ensuring it can handle even the toughest messes on any floor type. It also uses Matrix Clean technology, which cleans your entire home with precision. On the other hand, the Roborock S7 Max Ultra offers a hyperforce suction of 5,500 pascals, making sure no dirt or dust is left behind on your floors or carpets. It even has a Vibrise mopping system that removes dried stains more effectively than traditional robot mops. Now let's talk about the smart features of these robot vacuums. The Shark AI Ultra is equipped with 360 degrees lidar vision, allowing it to quickly and accurately map your home for efficient cleaning. It also has hands-free control, allowing you to schedule cleanings or activate it with voice commands using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. On the other hand, the Roborock S7 Max Ultra comes with Reactive Tech Obstacle Avoidance, which detects and avoids objects on the floor, saving you the trouble of moving anything before cleaning. It can even suggest no-go zones automatically. Additionally, it has an auto mop lifting feature that adjusts the mop based on the type of flooring. Convenience is key when it comes to robot vacuums. The Shark AI Ultra has a self-emptying base that can hold up to 60 days of dirt and debris. This means you won't have to worry about emptying it frequently or purchasing disposal bags. It also has a self-cleaning brush roll that prevents hair wrap and ensures optimal performance. Meanwhile, the Roborock S7 Max Ultra comes with the RockDock Ultra, a docking station that offers hands-free cleaning. It's designed to make your life easier, so you can sit back and relax while the vacuum takes care of the mess. Now, let's take a look at what customers have to say about these robot vacuums. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum and the Roborock S7 Max Ultra Robot Vacuum in various categories. Both vacuums have their own strengths, but it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs and budget better. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for more information and the latest prices. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and buying guides. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next one.